Yeah, so I just put up a short. Now look at here, a great big case, quad track 400. That looks about like a new one almost. This thing gonna be selling Saturday. Boy, that'd be fun to drive that thing around. There's some big grain bins here too. And this is a four track. And there's, you call that a half track. That's just a little one. It's only a 380 horse job. Looks like quite a bit the same. And boy, that's a big heavy duty weight box. And what else we got? Oh, great big combine. Monstrous big corn planter. Big discs. There's that auctioneer that likes to sell stuff like this. I guess sometimes I help a little bit too. A bean planter and a corn planter. Vertical till, disc and disc, trailers, lime trucks. Oh, an old mowing machine, the cultivators. Hey, there's a little sawmill. And fuel tanks and diesel generator. All kinds of things. That looks like even international. Boy. That sure looks like kind of a cheapy sort of a sawmill. But I suppose it'd make boards. Oh, that'll be interesting to watch that sell. Alright, that's what's going to be Saturday over here by Cardentton, Ohio. 10 o'clock in the morning. Alright, I'll be there. That's all for now. That thing looks kind of mean. Looks like it'd really get you. And just so you can haul your grain in, look here, there's 1,000 bushel, I suppose, auger wagon on 36-inch wide tracks. There's an Eagle, an International, another International. And there's kind of a fancy International. It's a fancy Eagle. It's even got LED lights on it. And 4 big semi-trailers. Looks like you move a lot of grain in a hurry from here. Alright, there's 2 big augers and a grain vacuum blower system. And I don't know whether that's just stuff sells or not. We'll see later.